Hey folks, hope you're staying cool out there because let me tell you, early July can be brutal on our gardens. If you're like me, you've probably noticed your containers and garden beds drying out faster than a pancake on a campfire. But I've got a simple watering trick that makes a world of difference, especially right now. Let's talk about double-cycle deep watering. Here's how it goes. First thing in the morning, before that sun gets too angry, give your plants a nice deep soak. I'm talking about your tomatoes, peppers, potted herbs, even those new seedlings you just set out. Let that water soak in, don't rush it. Now here's the part most folks miss after you're done. Set a timer and wait about 15, maybe 30 minutes. Go grab yourself a coffee or check on the chickens, whatever fits your routine. Now, go back and water those same spots again, just as thoroughly. Trust me, this second pass is the game changer. Why does this work so well right now? In July, the soil gets baked hard and dry, sometimes it even repels water so that first round just wets the surface or slides right off, especially if you're on a slope or using old potting soil. But when you come back for the second round, that top layer's already primed and ready, so the water actually sinks in deep, right where the roots need it most. It's like giving your plants a tall glass of water instead of just a splash on the face. This is especially true for containers. If you've ever watered a pot and watched half the water run right off the edge, you know what I'm talking about. That first soak rehydrates the soil, and the second one gets deep down all the way to the center so those roots stay nice and cool. And here's a bonus, double cycle watering is way more efficient than one long soak. If you just flood your bed all at once, a lot of that water ends up running off or pooling on top. 2 passes spaced apart means the soil actually absorbs it. A couple pro tips: always do this early in the morning before 9 if you can. Less water wasted to evaporation and your plants get all day to dry off, which keeps disease at bay. After your second soak, dig down with your finger or a little trowel, bet you'll find moisture way deeper than before. And don't forget mulch. A good 2 or 3 inches of straw or bark keeps all that hard-earned moisture locked in and those roots cooler through the heat. So remember water again. It's quick, it's easy, and your garden will reward you with less wilting and a whole lot more growth. Give it a try this week, and let me know how it goes. Happy gardening, neighbors!